If you're a course creator or a content creator, you're going to have constant need for churning out great content for lead magnets, for challenges, for workbooks. And if you're not a graphic designer, you're going to spend hours or even days producing this stuff. Hi, I'm Karen Stace-Railly and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use free software Canva and get nice templates to produce lots of great content over and over again in 15 minutes or less. If you haven't used Canva before, don't be afraid. It's super easy to pick up and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it right now. Follow the link below this video and sign up for your free Canva account. You can sign up using social media, Gmail, or just using an email. Once you have your free Canva account set up, go to Get Nice Templates and select from whichever Canva book template represents your business the most. For this example, I'm going to use Stace-Railly. You can see all the different pages that are here. There are 90 different layouts, so there's everything here suitable for charts, workbooks, challenges, just standard lead magnets, different cover designs. They're all here. Once you've made your purchase, you'll get the full instructions via email. Read through the instructions and select the size that you want to start creating your book within. You will get a page that looks like this and select to use template. So here it is. If you scroll through, you will see that you have 90 different pages that you can edit, add your own images to, change the colors. Really easy to do, to change the text. So you choose a cover that you want. You just name the title of whatever you want to call it, and then any pages you don't want, you just simply click delete. Fill in your table of contents. I think I'll go for this design here, so I'll delete this one. And fill the names of your sections and change whatever you want around. To change anything, like if you want to so if you only have 4 sections, you can just select those by clicking on them and pushing delete. That's simple. Then select all, you can just put your mouse over an area, select all the items and use your mouse to page down. To make things nice and even, spaced, you can actually use this position tool up here in the corner. If you need to change the colors, you can do that individually or by selecting a color palette or creating your own color palette. Simple, one click changes the whole document. Just by selecting them and then going to the color palette in the top left. You can choose from, these are recently used colors, or you can add a hex color or move around to choose whichever color you want. If you want to change the colors of the entire document, you have a change all down here. So everywhere that color is, you can click change all, or you can use the styles palette, which is lower down under the text palette. And you can see there's already made colors here, and you can go, okay, I really like this style. So this is going to change all the fonts to that font and that font and that color. And you can literally click on it and everything will change. So it takes a wee while, just thinking about it. And to change the whole document, see there's an apply all to all pages. Click that there. Canva has a library of free images that you can use, paid images, and of course you can upload your own. So in this left-hand panel here, you have different shapes and things that you can use in Canva. So you can open up elements here and see what's there, and you can just literally, if they say free next to them, they're not going to cost you anything. If they say pro, they will cost, so you may want to get a monthly membership if you're continuously using pro stuff, or you can pay for them one-off. So you can literally just pull in, drag and drop stuff over that you want to use. You can search in here for anything you want. So for example, if I wanted an arrow, you can see all the different elements here, and by rolling over them you can see whether they're free to use or whether they're going to cost. So for example, if I want to use this arrow, I literally drag and drop it and pull it across, move it with my mouse to position it, and to shrink it, just pull on these handles here, these little corner ones. I'll shrink it in size. You can change the colour by going to the top right here and choosing the colour that you want. And once you've got all your text in place, all your images in place, it's as simple as going to the right hand corner here and clicking the arrow to download, and you can choose how you want it to be downloaded. So online I just use PDF standard, so it's a bit more compressed, so it's not a giant file, and click download, and that will download your final document. So ready to upload to your website as a lead magnet or to share with your course students or however you want to use it. If you want to get started with these templates that you can use over and over again, visit Get Nice Templates and get a free Canva account using the links below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, where I'll bring you lots of content about online business and course creation, and we'll see you soon.